So yesterday I told you about Gopal Bhatta Goswami, the transcendental characteristics of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. So amongst the Ishad Goswami, he is one of Gopal Bhatta Goswami is there. He is a Gunamanjari in Radha Krishna Leela. Kavi Karpurna Amramad Granth mein he is described as a Gunamanjari. Somewhere he is also described as Ananga Manjari. So I was telling you that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he went to South India, so he went to Sri Rangam, and when he saw the dance of Nritya of Mahaprabhu, so they were so much impressed. So they were so much impressed towards Mahaprabhu, and they invited Mahaprabhu at their house, and Mahaprabhu stayed in the Bhatta family for 4 months. So he followed the Chaturmas there. Venkat Bhatt, Ramal Bhatt and Prabodhanand Saraswati Pad. They were the 3 brothers, and the Gopal Bhatta Goswami were a little boy there then. So every day they used to hear the Hari Katha from the mouth of Mahaprabhu. Very, very fresh new Hari Katha. Especially Mahaprabhu. So whatever he discussed about Rai Ramanand, so they used to tell to Mahaprabhu. So the Bhatta family, they were so much scholar, especially. So the South Indian people, they are so much expert in the Sanskrit. Especially the Ramanuja Sampradaya,
ये लोग बहुत सुंदर संस्कृत में विशेष ज्ञान दिया।
So they have a special knowledge about Sanskrit.
इसलिए महाप्रभु
That's why
जो
Mahaprabhu
जान करके
so thought them they are very capable. So they told the Harikatha to Bhatta family. So yesterday I told you a little bit Harikatha about them. Then when Krishna disappeared from the Ras and Gopiyans feeling so much separation, and they came to the bank of Yamuna, and they are doing the kirtan of the pastime, sweet pastime of Krishna. And Krishna was not able to stop himself, and they appeared himself amongst the gopis. And after that, gopis, they gave the sitting place to Krishna. So they have given their dupatta, their anchal to the Krishna. So that dupatta of the gopis was so much colored with the kumkum and the tears of their eyes. And what Bhagwan did? So Bhagwan has seated on the asan which they have provided. And Brahma and other big devtas, for taking the darshan of the nails of the feet of the Bhagwan, they are doing the cleaning their heart, but still Bhagwan sometime they appeared in their heart or sometime not. Yadyapi samadhishu vedarapi pashyati. So Krishna Deva Bhavantu Vantu Sukdev Goswami Pad. Rupa Goswami Pad is describing there. And they would like to describe the glory of the Bhagwan's lotus feet. So Krishna himself assembled amongst the gopi, and how they have seated there, the asan, the seated, the anchal provided by the gopis. So Bhagwan did a beautiful leela there, that every gopi was thinking that Bhagwan has seated on only one their asan. But so gopis asked some question to Krishna. So now we have to heard these questions again and again. I was reading that question again and again. So there are beautiful questions that those Gurudev used to tell me in Mathura. Here Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is beautifully explained there. There were 9 questions. There were 9 questions gopis asked. First question was, when you love, then he loves. This is called a business love. Vyapar. Jaho. When you love, then he loves you. Jaho. Om Vishnupad Ashtottar Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Madhav Goswami Maharaj ki jai. And second, the third one is you love or not love. He doesn't love anyone. And the second one was you love or not love, but they love you. And the fourth one is Atmaram, Aptakam, Akrakna, and Gurudrohi or Apradhi. 7. Now the 9th one is, so you love with those people, so you won't got anything. In this way, Krishna, gopis, they asked the 9 kinds of question, and that was 8th one is Hetu, cause, and 9th one Ahetu, causeless. So how Krishna very humbly They replied. He replied the question of the gopis,
जिसे कहते हैं
which is
प्रेम
called-
करने वाला जो प्रेम करता है
which is called the if you love then he loves. That
वो
is
क्या
called
कौन सा कैटेगरी में होता है
business.
हैं? बिजनेस बढ़िया चीज
So that is called the business
बाजार
love.
में गए 50
When you go to the market, you gave 50 rupees and you got 1 kg sugar.
आपके कम भी नहीं देंगे ज्यादा भी नहीं देंगे
So they will not get you more and less.
कम दे देंगे हैं?
किसमें?
दिखाते हैं अच्छा अच्छा फल दिखाएंगे और हैं?
So we have seen in the YouTube videos that they will show you very beautiful fresh fruits, but when you take that at home, so you will open that at home, so it will be not fresh. Just like kiwi we have bought before some time.
इसलिए इस प्रकार से प्रेम का भी जो प्रेम करते हैं
So in this way, if you love then they love, so it is not the actual love. This is just a business love.
वो क्या होता है
What is that?
उसे कहा जाता है वो प्रेम है ये सोपाधिक प्रेम कहा जाता है
That is called sa-upadhi prem.
सात्विक प्रेम कहा जाता
So this is a selfish love.
है अपने प्रयोजन सिद्धि के लिए ही
Just
वो
for
प्रेम करते रहते
your selfishness,
हैं
they are loving you.
मीठी बात भी करेंगे
They are talking you very sweetly.
जब अपना जब कार्य
But when their selfishness completed, so they will kick you.
इसलिए वो प्रेम के कहा जाता है
So that is called.
उसमें ना कोई सौहार्द भाव है
So there is no swahardha bhav and there is no dharma actually.
उसमें कोई सौहृद भाव नहीं है मन प्रेम
Swahardha bhav means there is no friendship nature. There is no friendship nature in that love.
इसलिए कृष्ण कहा
That's why Krishna is saying, I didn't do with you like this.
करो बात न करो
And second is, if you love or not love, they will love you.
इस संसार में दो प्रकार की शक्ति है।
So there are two kinds of person in this world.
माता पिता
First, parents.
पुत्र कल्याण के लालन पालन
They always used to love their child whether they love or not.
है और दूसरी है
And the second is
करुणाशील कर्म जो है दूसरे के पास करुणा करने की
who the karunashil people, the person who always mercy. We have heard the Prahlad Katha. Narsimhadev asked to Prahlad plus asked any benediction. So what Prahlad Maharaj said,
इस संसार में लोग जो
in this world people doing so much hard austerities,
वो अपने उद्धार के लिए
for why they are doing that? For their liberation.
किंतु प्रहलाद
But Prahlad Maharaj saying, I don't want this.
इस संसार में जितने भी लोग हैं
So the peoples who are suffering in this world,
सभी लोग आप उद्धार कर
please liberate everybody. Prahlad Maharaj is praying like this.
और प्रहलाद महाराज जी इतने भी कहा
And Prahlad Maharaj even said that,
समस्त जीवन की
हे
पाप
प्रभु,
धोने के लिए
I would like to take the sin of all the living entities. I can suffer all the sinful activities of them, but please liberate all the jivas from this world. This is Prahlad Maharaj said. Who does it?
मैं समस्त जीवों के पाप भोगने के लिए नरक में जाऊंगा।
I will go to the hell for wearing all the sinful activities of the living entities.
आप
But you please do one thing. You please liberate all the jivas. This is called the mercy. Who has very merciful heart. So we have seen so many merciful person in this world.
इसलिए संत महात्मा भ्रमण करते हैं।
That's why Sant Mahatma is visiting everywhere.
महांतर स्वभाव यही टाइम से पावन निज कार्य नहीं प्रभु जान पड़े ये संत महात्मा भ्रमण आदि करते हैं
The Sant Mahatma who are visiting everywhere, why they are going there?
उद्धार के लिए
Just for the liberating to the jivas. There is no other reason.
गुरु वैष्णव
Guru Vaishnav,
जो घर घर जाते हैं
they used to go to door.
धन कमाने से उनका उद्देश्य नहीं
Their purpose is not earning the money. If they get, then it's good. Otherwise, no problem.
बैठने के लिए
If they get some money, so they will spend that money for the serving of the Guru Vaishnav. They will build a beautiful temple so that Guru and the Vaishnav can reside there.
हमारे एसेट है संपत्ति।
So they are two assets for preaching.
एक है
One is
मनी पॉट और एक होता है
money power and manpower. 2 MP.
देखो धन मिल जाए,
If you get money,
भगवान गुरु वैष्णव की सेवा के लिए
so if somebody has given you money for the serving of Guru and Vaishnav,
तो उनकी व्यवस्था हो।
so you will arrange, you will provide the facility to the Vaishnav.
हम लोग कहाँ बैठे?
If there is no this kinds of temple, so where we sit?
बात ही सही है।
Is it true or not?
ये इलेक्ट्रिक
So this electric fan is working, so there is a bill, electricity bill we have to pay also.
लोग जो दान दक्षिणा
So whatever the people is giving donations, so we are spending in these all things. Sant Mahatma doesn't have any kinds of children, so whom they have to get married, because they have left their home and they didn't get married, but they are arranging the marriage of the others peoples. Is it true?
जो धन मिल गया,
So whatever the money they got,
भगवान की सेवा की
if somebody gave them donation for the serving of the Guru and Vaishnav, so they are spending that money for the serving of the Vaishnav. So they doesn't have any kinds of selfishness.
भक्ति संत प्रभुपाद में तो इतना ही कहा कि आज देखो
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada said, if I got the money, I will bought an aeroplane if I get money.
बोले आप प्रभुपाद ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं?
So people said that why are you saying like this?
विमान खरीद करके क्या करेंगे?
So-
इसलिए एक कोने से दूसरे कोने तक
So Prabhupada said that if I get the money, then I will buy a aeroplane, and from one corner to another corner to the world I will preach everywhere Harinam. There is no other reason.
महात्मा जो
So Sant Mahatma, they are going to every country. So what is the purpose there? Just to preach the holy name and liberating the jivas. They used to tell so many beautiful Hari Katha, as like you have come here for different countries. So they would like to mold the jivas into the Hari Bhajan.
तो संत महात्मा जो इसमें कहते हैं कारुणिक करुणा
So this is called the Karuna.
करते हैं।
They used to mercy upon the jivas.
करुणा की मोहब्बत कथा करुणा
So they used to do the mercy and tell the Hari Katha to the jivas and mold them to bhakti. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is saying, Mata Pita has their responsibility because they have given the birth to the children. That's why they are nourishing them.
मेरा बेटा मुझे खिलाइए पिलाइए
So Mata Pita always thinks like that when my child will grow up, so they will feed me. But we have seen in this world so many kinds of children that after they grow up, they got married, they keep their wife with them, and they kick their parents. We have seen so many cases in this world. And what to speak about the foreign countries? They used to send their parents to the old ages.
विदेश में जो है अधिक रूप में कोई माता पिता की सेवा नहीं करते
So in
कहाँ
the foreign countries, nobody served their parents. They used to send their old age homes.
किंतु भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति
But according to the Indian culture, it is not happens too much here. But nowadays they are doing.
कृष्ण भी उसी प्रकार धार्मिक
So Krishna is saying here in this way, you love or not love, but they will love you. This is the love of parents and the devotee of the Lord who have so much mercy in their hearts.
और कोई कारण नहीं
So there is no other reasons.
इसलिए प्रचार आदि के दो लक्ष्य
That's why there are two objects for preaching, that how all the jivas can perform the bhajan of the Bhagwan.
यदि धन संपत्ति कुछ मिला
If they get some money or donations for the serving for Hari, Guru and Vaishnav.
अच्छा ये तो देखो एक होता है संबंध युक्त और एक संबंध शून्य होता है
One is Sambandh Yukta and other is Sambandh Shunya.
और एक
There is two kinds of love, Sambandh Yukta or Sambandh Shunya.
संबंध
Means without the relation, with the relationship and without the relationship.
वो एक दूसरे के साथ रहा है वो भी ठीक नहीं है
Two kinds of love.
होकर के प्रेम
So that the love with a relationship, Sambandh Yukta Prema.
संबंध युक्त
What is Sambandh Yukta actually?
संबंध भैया भजे तारे कृष्ण नहीं तजे आज सब
Maraya Karana.
और इससे एक के दुख में दुखी होता है, एक सुख में सुखी।
So someone who gets sorrow in others people's sorrow.
यही तो परम सुख है। सेवा दुख सुख परम सुख नासे।
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing in this way.
देखो कृष्ण उसी प्रकार कहने लगे।
So Krishna said in this way, "Hey gopis, what is the third question? So if you love or not love, they won't love to you. We have seen some people in this world, if you love them or not love, but they don't love anybody. They are just like animals. You can see the monkey. If you feed them, so he will eat your food and will take your glass, and even the monkey can bite you. They will eat your food stuff. Shed karega. So in the plate that monkey will eat, so he will make a hole in that plate. So we have seen this verse. And the fourth one is Atmaram. Atmaram, Aptakam, Akratagna, and Guru Drohi or Pradi. Who is Atmaram? Krishna is saying, who is the Atmaram? Who doesn't have external views, who always keep himself in the internal views. Who is the example of that? Sukdev Goswami Pad. Sukdev Goswami Pad, when he got the birth from the mother's womb, and he moved towards forest, so he didn't see any external scene. He had internal view. In the Srimad Bhagavatam it is described, when Sukdev Goswami Pad moving towards forest, and there is a pond, some ladies were taking bath, and nude they were taking bath there, and Sukdev Goswami Pad crossed their path, but he didn't saw them, and he was Nirvikar that time. But behind them his father Vyasdev was chasing him, and he is so much old, and he has a long white beard, and there is a wrinkles on his cheeks. But seeing that ladies covered their body with the cloths, so Vyasdev asked this question. My younger son, who just 16 years around old, and he crossed you, but they didn't have any kinds of vikar. But when I am crossed, I am an old age person, and seeing me, you are covering your body. You feel so much shy. Why? Because Sukdev Goswami Pad has internal view. The person who has Atmaram, they don't see any external things. They always keep himself engaged in the internal views. And the Aptakam, Chiro. So the person who have the opportunity or get the chance for sense gratification, Chirodai Janak. So the person who have external the opportunity to sense enjoyment, but still they are not attracted towards that. He was a king, but he was never attracted towards any kinds of sense enjoyments. That's why he was Aptakam. Janak Maharaj. He is the example of Aptakam. So he seeing got the chance of sense gratification, but still he was not attracted towards them. He refuses. He has completed all kinds of who never attracted towards this kinds of sense and gratification. He is called Aptakam. And who is Akratagna? So Akratagna means ungrateful person. So the person, if you did something, so in the Hindi it is called Namak Haram. means that if you do something good deeds to them, but still he is not repaying you anything.
एक राजा के नाई था
So Gurudev told one story. King has a barber.
और वो
Barber.
नाई ने
That barber,
कुछ ऐसे कर्म किया
he did something good deeds.
उसको जो है
For that, he has to give the punishment of death.
महाराज
The minister said,
ये नाई को जो है
"This barber,
काम कर दो
please give him punishment to the death." But
राजा ने वो नाई को
but that king,
बचपन से ही अपने पुत्र बस लालन पालन
but that king brought up that barber like a son since his childhood.
सब होना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए
Because the barber whom he is giving brought up, so the king must have some trust on him, because otherwise he can put some blade on his cheeks anytime,
राजा
and he can cut also his neck.
और बचपन से राजा उनको पालन पोषण
And since his childhood, that king, like his son, is treating him, is nourishing him.
अभी ऐसे समय है
But now the time has come.
बोले नहीं महाराज
All the ministers said, "Maharaj,
राजा
you are a king.
निर्वक्ष आपको विचार
So, being neutral, you have to pay the decision."
सिंहासन में बैठे तो कोई पुत्र
So, when the king seated on the kingdom, so he doesn't see that who is his son, who is against him. So, Maharaj, this is your duty to punish him the death.
मृत्यु दंड राजा विचार करने की क्या करें
So, Raja, the king was thinking, what to do now?
मैं कैसे मृत्यु दंड दूं?
He is just like my son. How can I give him the sentence of death?
भाई मंत्रीगण है सभी लोग जब
So, but all the ministers are saying the same things.
इसको क्या करे जाए
Please give him the sentence of death.
शेर के जो है पिंजरे में छोड़ दिया जाए।
So all the ministers said, okay, you do one thing,
देखो
then you can
वो नाई को क्या
leave him in front of the cage of the lion. You can leave him in front of the cage of the, inside the cage of the king.
शेर आकर के
So what happened? Barber was sitting inside the cage, and lion came and he was licking his body and smelling his body.
और उनके पास बैठ
So he was going round and round with the from the barber, and he seated around him, but he didn't eat him.
बाहर से देखने लगे
So all the people was seeing that scene from the outside of the cage, but the lion didn't eat that person, that barber.
एक डेढ़ घंटा उनके
So after that, 1 and 2 hours passed away.
देखो शेर जब
When the lion, he didn't eat, but
बोले
what to
राजा
do?
ने कहा,
So then,
बोले महाराज इसको बाहर लेकर
so the minister
एक बार दिया जाए
take him out from the cage,
आज दो बार मृत्यु
because punishment always giving on the one time. The death of sentence given only one time. When he came out,
राजा से सभी लोग उनके पूछने लगे आप
all
बताओ,
everybody asked him,
ये
okay,
शेर
tell
आपको
me
क्यों नहीं खाया?
that why lion didn't eat you, and he didn't say anything to you. Then Barber said, Maharaj, please listen.
हैं? आज से कुछ दिन पहले
Before some days ago, maybe 1 week ago, I went to forest,
और जंगल में देखा एक
and I
शेर,
saw in the forest there was a lion.
क्या बोले मंदिर में कुछ रक्त जो है
So there is,
और रक्त पर धो रहा था
so his hand was bleeding,
बहुत
and he was so much suffering,
घायल होकर के
and he was feeling so much helpless.
शेर के पास कौन जाए
So who can go to that lion?
मैं दूर से देखा
So I saw from so far this scene,
पंजे में है,
because his hands was bleeding and there was a thorn in his hand.
किंतु शेर ऐसे से करे
But see that lion was so much suffering, and he was asking for help.
कहने लगे नाई कहने लगे
That barber
मैं
said,
अपने जीवन को दांव लगा कर
so I given my life to him, and I just was on so risk. I went to that lion, and
और क्या बोलते हैं
I take out.
किंतु आदि के द्वारा
So for some instrument, I take out the thorn from his hand,
जो निकालने के
and whatever the blood is coming out,
पत्ता आदि देकर के
and I put some leaves on his hand and tied
जो
there.
है पार करके
So I tore my cloths and I bandaged his hand completely.
और फिर वो शेर जो है
And that-
मेरे तरफ एक बार देखा मैंने,
And that time, that lion smelled my body 1 time or 2 times, and he went away. And Maharaj,
आप सुनिए
listen,
आप अपने लोगों को बताइए ये शेर वही शेर है कि नहीं
please ask the people, is it the same lion or not?
है उस पेड़ के आदि तक उसके पंजे में भी
So, still there is a wound of his hand.
गुरुदेव इस कथा को सुने।
So Gurudev told this
देखो
story.
कैसे कृतज्ञ है।
So that loin is so much kritagna, means grateful person. So whatever the good deeds gift or helped, I helped that loin, but still then he didn't do anything with me. So he saved my life. So I saved his life. That's why he is saved my life.
उसमें भी
So even
ऐसे कृतज्ञता दिखा जाए।
a loin have this kinds of nature. Kritagna.
कथा प्रसन्नता कभी कभी जो है ऐसे दिखा जाता है।
So sometimes we have seen he was a grateful person.
सब तो रूप में भी दिखा पड़ता है।
It is not just a story. Sometimes we have seen in a daily life.
उसमें भी कभी कभी
So that was a wild animal, but he was so much grateful towards that person. So in this way, it was said,
उपकार भी स्वीकार करते हैं।
the person who accept
भक्तियों में उपकार
who
को स्वीकार नहीं
accept the helps which is did in the crucial time, so he is called kritagna. He is called kritagna, means a grateful person, and the person who is not getting, the person who has helped him or not repaying them, he is called atragna, ungrateful person. Are you getting?
देखो इस संसार में हजारों माता पिता की स्नेह के एक तरफ रखती
And you put the love and affection of the thousands of parents and put the love of Sadguru on one side, but it still it cannot be balanced. We cannot understand.
किंतु जब अनुभूति होगा
But when we realize after performing some bhajan,
तब समझेंगे
then we will keep Padma is so merciful.
हम पड़े हुए थे
How we were suffering in the material sense enjoyment, and by the mercy of him, they have lifted us somewhere else.
ये कब समझेंगे
How we will realize all these things? When we perform bhajan and sadhan, and
और संबंध ज्ञान के बाद
when we get the relationship, which is sambandha gyan, and when we get realization, then we will understand the merciful nature of our Guru Padma. Nowadays, now we cannot understand. The Guru Padma is so much merciful. Selflessly, they have doing the mercy upon us. So they have helped us so much for the parmarthic life.
एक जीव के जो है संसार कारागार से उद्धार करने के लिए तुम्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा
400 gallon, 400 gallon.
कितने गैलन 400 गैलन
So that's why Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Pad used to say that for molding a devotee into the bhakti of this material world, you have to spend 400 gallon blood of yours.
ये तो ऐसे बोलने वाले हैं कितने लोग
Some people used to hear that there are so many speakers, they used to speak like this only.
सामने आ रही ये अपने स्वार्थ के लिए कर रहे
So some people used to say they are doing this for their selfishness. No,
हैं।
actually
ये
it's
कैसे
not.
होता है
This is the duty of a guru,
ये कैसे जीव
that how this jeev can serve Bhagwan.
इसे कहते हैं इतने सहज नहीं
It is not
एक जीव
easy
के जो है संसार की महाकारागार से उद्धार करके
for
भगवान
liberating one jivas from this material world and molding him towards the Bhagwan feet. You have to spend 400 gallons. There are thousands jivas, but it's not easy to mold them into bhakti.
कितने उनके कठोर परिश्रम करना
So they have to do so much hard work.
उनके लिए कितने खून देना पड़ता
They
है
have to spend so much blood.
कथा बोलने में कष्ट नहीं होता है
There is so much hard work in speaking Harikatha.
कीर्तन ऐसे कहते हैं, महाप्रभु क्या
That's why Mahaprabhu said,
हाँ, बताओ। कीर्तन यार परिश्रम जाने गौरा
Kirtanaya Parishram Jane Gaura Rai. The person who is doing Kirtan,
परिश्रम होता है
how much hard work they had to do, Mahaprabhu knew that. I just tell you one story.
गुरुदेव के कमरे में एक भक्त आया
So the katha was over. A devotee came to Gurudev and said, Gurudev,
कीर्तन जो कृष्णदास जो कीर्तन किया
so whatever the Kirtan Krishna did, it was awesome. Gurudev said, what I did? Gurudev said, what I did?
गुरुदेव के विचार समझो
Hear the, understand the views of Gurudev. Gurudev said,
जो सत्तर मैंने श्रवण
what I've heard practically. Maharaj was also there. I've heard practically.
कृष्णदास जो कीर्तन किया
So somebody said the Gurudev Krishnadas did the kirtan, it was awesome. Gurudev said, what I did?
मैं कीर्तन नहीं किया
I didn't kirtan.
कीर्तन नहीं है
Are Katha is not a kirtan.
अरे हरि कथा बोलते
Are Hari Katha also is a kirtan. Hari Katha speaking is also kirtan.
गोस्वामी पास
Sukdev Goswami Pad.
है उदाहरण क्या दे कीर्तन है वही आपको
Sukdev Goswami Pad is the example of kirtan.
माने सुखदेव गोस्वामी
And Shravan Sukdev Goswami Parikshit Maharaj. But Gurudev was saying that common person was unable to understand. So some people are thinking if someone is singing, playing mridang, this is only the kirtan. But the person who is speaking Bhagavad Katha, Hari Katha, he is not doing the kirtan. Actually it is not true.
देखो गुरुदेव जी कितने सुंदर
So this is the view,
विचार
this is the deep view of philosophy of Gurudev.
इसे कहते हैं कीर्तन या परिश्रम जाने गौर राय
Kirtaniya Parishram Janai Gaur Rai.
कीर्तन आदि
So the person who is doing Hari Katha, so the person who are doing the Nam Sankirtan, who are singing, so these all are Kirtan.
वास्तव सत्य है
Is it true or not? That's why Guru or Vaishnav who are telling us Hari Katha
आत्म कल्याण के लिए
just for our welfare.
जन्मांतर में जाकर के
After so many words,
अनुभव करें
we will realize this.
आज कितने सुंदर जो कथा है। क्योंकि कथा तो बेकार नहीं
Because this Hari Katha is not go for waste.
वो तुम्हें
But after some time, after birth afterwards, you will get the fruit of that Hari Katha,
देखो,
listening Hari Katha.
जो गुरु वैष्णव
So whatever the Guru Vaishnav,
हमारे लिए इतने परिश्रम करते
he did a hard work for us.
हैं। आज में उनके लिए हमें क्या मिलता
So we have to be grateful towards them.
है सत्यता होता है और
Kritagya.
ऐसे गुरु के जो द्रोहादि करते हैं
And the person who is doing against
अवज्ञादि करते
and who is avoiding the Guru,
हैं
or this kinds of Guru,
वो अपराधी
so they are aparadi, they are offender.
अपराधी बन जाते हैं
They become aparadi.
इसलिए ऐसे अपराधी के पक्ष
So that's why just such kind of aparadi, such kind of offenders, if you are loving and affection them, so it is no use. It is all go for vain. Just like you know or no, don't know, I just tell you a story, a katha, as Gurudev told.
कुछ नहीं बता रहे
I am not telling myself anything. Whatever I heard from Gurudev, I am telling you.
हैं? गुरु जो है
There was a
ये
Guru.
हमारे गौरी मठ का है
He was from our Gaudiya Math.
हैं? उन्होंने क्या की
What he did,
बोले गुरुदेव ये
गुरुदेव,
आचार्य पद हमें देना चाहिए
you should give this Acharya Pad to me.
गुरुदेव जानते हैं ये तो योग्य नहीं है
Gurudev knew that he is not capable, because it is always the designation is giving to the capable person.
दूसरे का आचार्य पद।
So Gurudev has given the Acharya designation to another person.
रोग आ गया
So he had so much angry,
आज गुरु पे क्या करता हूँ
so he would like to kill the Gurudev from the axe. He would like to cut the neck of his Gurudev from the axe. The person who was older, they maybe knew.
भगवान की इच्छा से
And why the desire of Bhagwan? So Bhagwan always save the pure devotee.
उल्टा करके सोए हुए थे
At that time, Gurudev was sitting, lying on the bed, down,
पुरानी देशों के गुरुदेव के
backside.
मैं
So he wanted to cut the neck of the Gurudev by the axe.
और उसका
And Gurudev was lying on the bed, and he has covered himself with the bed sheet.
उन्होंने क्या किया भाई पुरानी जो है
So he took the axe and he attacked with the axe on the feet side. But he was not aware this is the feet,
बताते हैं ना
because Bhagwan always save the pure devotee.
पुरानी देश के ऐसे मारा
So he tried to attack by the axe on his feet. So the axe fall down from his hand, and it fall down on the ground. So that cut the mattress, and Gurudev was completely safe. There was no scratch on his feet. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.
ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं
So there are such kinds of person.
मुझे जब ऐसे पद नहीं दिया
So Gurudev didn't give me this kinds of designation, so I will kill him. How can they do like this?
ऐसे उदाहरण है देखो
There are many examples of this kinds of people.
ऐसे व्यक्ति के भजन कैसे होगा उसके उद्धार हो
So how that person can perform bhajan, but still Guru Pad Padma.
स्नेहवत्सल शिष्यवत्सल
He is very Snehvatsal, he is Shishya Vatsal. They never avoid, they never give up their disciples. This is the merciful of Guru.
कथा कहावत होता है कुपुत्र कबू यदि है कुमाता
We have think that maybe the son can be Kupatra, means bad, but a mother cannot be bad towards his son. That in the same way Sadguru,
ऐसे भी हो
maybe a disciple can be like this, but a Gurudev cannot be like this. He always give the karuna for his welfare. Gurudev always think about them. Bhagwan, they always pray before Bhagwan for their welfare. We have heard
अपने से भगवान के प्रार्थना करने के लिए भगवान
Gurudev prayed for Bhagwan, hey Bhagwan,
अनुमति दीजिए
please give the good wisdom to my disciple and give the sadgati to him.
देखो दूसरे ही अपराध
So the Guru Drohi and Apradhi.
और फिर कहते हैं गुरु द्रोहकारी भी दो प्रकार होते हैं
There are two kinds of offender,
एक होता
Drohi,
है हेतु और एक होता है
Hetu and Ahetu,
हैं?
cause and causeless.
हेतु का रूप दिखाई पड़ता है अच्छा हेतु हेतु क्या है
What is Hetu? What is cause?
हैं? कारण हैं?
Cause,
अपने
cause.
स्वार्थ जब रहता है
When somebody has their selfishness or cause, so they used to do Droha or Acharana, bad behavior with the Guru.
निर्हेतु बिना कारण से
And
कुछ लोग ऐसे होता है
Some people are like
बिना
that,
कारण से
so without any reason, without any cause, they used to do Droh, cause. Droh. दो times Droh, कारण की और अहेतु. They used to do Droh, yeah, bad things with their Gurudevs, without reason or with reason.
निर्हेतु एक हेतु और
Ahetu.
है? कारण भी बनता है कभी कभी कारण बन जाता है
Sometimes there is a reason
गुरुद्रोही बन जाता है
and they became Guru Drohi,
ऐसे नहीं समझ
offender of Gurudev.
ये जो 9 प्रकार के प्रश्नों
So there are 9 kinds of question asked by the gopis,
एक भी नहीं
and Krishna said, I am not amongst
देखो
them.
अच्छा ये बताओ काल जो श्रवण किया था आत्माराम अप्तकम
So we have heard about Atma Ram and Aptakam.
हमारे विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
Our Vishwanath Chakravartipad, in his commentary, what he said, hey gopis,
आत्माराम और अप्तकम होता है
one is Atma Ram, one is Aptakam. Atma Ram and Aptakam always live in the Narayan form, but in the form of Nandanandan, I don't have Atma Ram or Aptakam Swarup.
देखो जो विचार के विषय
If you think about a little bit,
नंदन के रूप में मैं ये नहीं रहा
I never stay in the Atmaram and Aptakam form in Nandanandan, but in the form of Narayan, I always used to be in the Aptaram and Aptakam. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, there is a context when Krishna disappeared from the Ras and Gopiyas started crying. So at that time, Sukhdev Goswami Pad, he asked the question from Parikshit Maharaj.
आदि राधा आगे कोई एक विशेष गोपियों के साथ राधा के साथ प्रेम विहार आदि कर
Krishna is doing the loving affairs with some gopis, and these Radha and these all gopis are suffering. So Krishna doesn't know about this.
नहीं सुन रहे
Krishna is not listening the prayers. That
उत्तर दे
Sukhdev Goswami Pad replied. What he replied?
यथा आकाशवत
Yatha Akashvat.
जिस प्रकार आकाश
Just like there is a sky everywhere, space is everywhere,
भी
Bhagwan is also everywhere.
तो यदि कहो
If you say
तो भगवान सर्वत्र रहते हुए गोपियों की प्रेम विरह की कैसे सुन रहे क्यों नहीं आ रहे
if Bhagwan is everywhere, then why he is not listening the prayer to the from the gopis? So Parikshit Maharaj asked this question.
उत्तर दिया
What Krishna replied?
कृष्ण ने ये उत्तर दे रहे
Krishna replied,
ये देखो यद्यपि मैंने कहा
even I said,
आत्माराम अप्तकमता है
I have the
नंदन रूप में
I am Atmaram and Aptakam in the Narayan form, but in the Nandanandan I don't have this kinds of Atmaram and Aptakam.
नारायण रूप में भी आत्मरामता और आत्मकामता में नहीं रहा
And so I don't, and Krishna is also saying that I don't have this kinds of feeling. Atmaram and Aptakam feeling is the Narayan form also.
कौन आए थे
क्या?
आज के जो है उद्धार करने के लिए कौन आए थे
So who came for giving the mercy or mercy upon the Gaj?
ऊपर उठाए
When that Gaj he offered one flower,
साक्षात
So Bhagwan himself appeared from the Gajendra Gaj,
क्या किया उन्होंने?
and he nahi,
मगर
and he killed the crocodile by his chakra,
और ग्राहक से क्या बोले?
and he liberated and he saved the Gajendra. So who was there? Narayan was there.
कोई भक्त सामान्य छोटा सी भी भक्त
So
किसी प्रकार भगवान
so there is a little bit devotee. If he call to Bhagwan, Bhagwan never leave that devotee. It is mentioned in the Gita also. Apichet sudurachara.
साधुरेव सम्मोहः सम्मोहः क्योंकि दुराचारी भी
Who is so much durachari, bad character person, still if he is one pointed towards me, then I will never leave him, that person. This is the pratigya, oath of Bhagwan.
नंदन रूप में
And in the Nandanandan form, how can I be Nandanandan and Aptaram and Aptakam?
सुंदर एक प्रकार की गाड़ी यहाँ पर भगवान भी कह रहे हैं
Bhagwan is saying here,
गोपियाँ कहने लगा
Gopiya said, okay, tell me,
तो हम लोग कब तक क्यों दिया
so why you have given so much suffering to us? If you are not amongst in this nine,
भगवान कहने लगे
so Bhagwan said,
हे गोपियों
hey gopis,
वास्तव रूप में
actually
आपके प्रेम को मैं दर्शन कर
I was taking a darshan of your love.
और उस प्रेम कैसे दर्शन कर रहे हैं
And how I was taking darshan, that how you have love and affection towards me.
लब्धो बाकी
Yata dhanu labdava.
जैसे किसी के पट पर धन
Just like some has so much possession
जो धन
and suddenly he has lost that.
गायब हो, तो वो क्या करते हैं
So what he will do?
धन के लिए तलाश
So he always cry and think about that possession, that assets. And Krishna said,
कोई धन कौन है
which is the topmost dhan, I am the topmost possession of yours, and I was watching that how much love and affection you have towards me. So we will describe the katha, further katha tomorrow. Vancha kalturvasha kripa sindhu vichap Vaishnavibhyo namo namah. Give the mic to the Maharaji. Hare Krishna.